Good morning, my feelers ones. I think I'm gonna start calling these early morning videos work from home Bonnet Chronicles. I don't know if anybody is familiar with Bonnet Chronicles on the Instagram. She wear different bonnets. She now sell the bonnets, and she addressed a lot of celebrity gossip and different things that's going on in today's time. But this is not what I'm going to do. Discuss celebrity gossip. I'm just going to talk about my work at home experience, my life, whatever's going on at the time. I'm going to roll these windows up. You guys know I like to get some fresh air since I am in a building all day, which is my home. What do I want to discuss? Where have I been the last almost a year since I really just been consistent with posting videos? I've been working, you guys. Like I said in a previous video, I have other things going on, like private labeling. I have my own website. I've been just focusing on building that brand, and God has really came through. I have a great customer base. I have systems now set up, so I have more time. God's been so good. I was able to buy my daughter a car cash. I actually promised both girls. So just to give you a little clarity on who I am and what I got going on. I have a set of 20-year-old twins. One is going to school for criminal justice. The other is going to the RN program, and I have a 16-year-old son. So I initially bought the girls a car in their 11th grade, a hoopty, a starter car to learn how to drive in, because mama didn't want them in her car. Not that I have a newer car, it's just that I bought this car new and I know it, and I don't want my children learning how to drive in it, if you can understand it. So I bought them a car and they learned how to drive, and while I was driving, the key got stuck in the ignition, so I had to have it towed to the mechanic. And so he kept it for so long, and I've been working and just in full-blown grind mode, building my brand and business, and God just came through with my finances to the point where actually I could afford to buy both girls their own car. If nothing extravagant, I let them, because they don't work. My oldest daughter just got a job. Like, she just got a job away from home. And she really wanted to get a job so she could know what it was like, to be independent. But my middle child, which is my youngest twin, she don't work. And that's the one that picked her car first. So I told her nothing over $5,000, both of them. Nothing over. Let's find a good running car, low mileage, and something that's going to get you through undergrad and into grad school, And so I told her to pray about it, and she found something, and she chose a Toyota Corolla. Cute car, nice car. God has really been good. I paid for that car cash, and she drove off the lot before I could even get the title and the paperwork from the dealer. So that's how good God has been with me working from home. I'm saying that to encourage you. If I can do it, you can do it. And you don't see me with these extravagant videos. Like I said, I'm not tech savvy, and I just don't have time to be doing all of those stage 3 production videos. I just don't. I'm not interested. I'm interested in building a brand, helping as many people as possible, and setting a great foundation for my children's later in the future. The Bible said a wise man leaves his children's children an inheritance. So that is ultimately my goal. Is to help as many people as I possibly can. So that's the reason why I resurfaced, is because if you're struggling to make money online, let me encourage you. So the oldest twin, after we purchased the youngest twin car and she drove off into the sunset, I said, what kind of car you want? She said, well, I know I want a Honda, Mom. I believe I want a Honda Civic or a Honda Accord. And then when we started looking, she said, well, I don't know if I'm ready to start driving. I said, no, you have to start driving, honey, because you have to learn how to be independent. Now, the first car I do is still being worked on. I told the mechanic, let's not invest a lot of money into it because I want my son to learn how to drive in that car. And I'm just gonna pass it down. It's a starter car for everyone, and then I will buy him a pickup truck once he gets of age, once he's 17, 18, and has exemplified, you know, things like good grades, being respectful. My children are pretty good kids. I can't complain. I haven't had any problems out of them, or I would not be doing all of this, because really, to be honest, a child that has never worked at a job really don't deserve a newer car. But we're in a different day and time where we're trying to do more for our children that was done for us. I rolled up this window and now I'm kind of warm in here. Let me cut this air on. So yes, that's where I've been. I just been working, building a brand. It's been doing really well. Again, I'm just truly blessed and thankful, and I want to help as many people as I possibly can. So I will try to record as much as possible, and if you want to view it, fine. If you don't, you don't have to. And I will also have different opportunities I will address. One is and I'll wait to do a different video on it. I will try to do a screenshot video to show you the system and explain to you what it is. It is a one-time fee, so you don't have to pay a monthly fee. It's like a set it and forget it type of situation. You invest one time and then you just simply drive traffic to that opportunity. And I think it's great for people that's on maybe a fixed income and don't have money to be paying monthly fees. This is another opportunity that I'm willing to give a bonus or two for if you join, because I believe that you can earn money from your home just like I can. I'm not doing anything special. I'm not creating any new wheels. I'm just following what the people before me have done. You know, there are formulas, there are things that you need to stick to, and don't try to do anything different or again create new wheels. It's just going to cause a bunch of headache for you. That's all I have for today. Until next time, you guys, God bless. Stay fearless. I'll see you in the next video.